Hey, future investors, ever seen one of those fancy financial reports and felt like it was written in a secret code? I used to feel the same way. But what if I told you that understanding just a few key things can unlock the whole story? Today we're cracking the code on the Ghana stock market report for November 3rd, 2025. Let's find out who's winning, who's losing, and what it all means for you and me. Welcome to the Investment Nerds, your personal guide to investing in the African stock market. The headline is that the market was mixed. Think of it like a football match where one team is scoring, but the other team is also getting some goals. It wasn't a total win or a total loss. The main scoreboard, called the GSE Composite Index, that's the average of all the big stocks, dipped slightly by 0.19%. But here's the crazy part. Since January 1st, it's still up a whopping 71.21%. That means the market is still having an amazing year, even with a few off days. Meanwhile, the GSE Financial Index, which is just all the bank stocks, was the star player, going up 0.92%. So while the overall market was a bit sleepy, the banks were wide awake and making moves, the superstars versus the slumpers. Let's get to the juicy stuff. The individual stocks. The superstars, the gainers. Société Générale Bank shot up 9.68% in a single day. People were really buying this bank stock. Clydestone Ghana jumped 7.14%. This is a tech company, and it's up a mind-blowing 900% since the start of the year. GCB Bank, a solid 3.12% gain. Another bank having a great day. The slumpers, the losers, Cal Bank, took a big hit, down 8.16%. Ouch. MTN Ghana. The giant stumbled a bit, down 0.95%. The report says this was due to mild profit-taking and a rights issue announcement. Hold on, let's decode that. Profit-taking is simple. It's when people who bought the stock at a lower price sell it to lock in their profit. It's like cashing in your chips after a win. A rights issue is when a company offers existing shareholders the chance to buy more shares at a discount. It can sometimes make the share price dip temporarily. The most popular kids in school. Even though MTN Ghana and KL were down, they were still the most traded stocks along with ETI, EcoBank. This is a vital lesson. High trading volume doesn't always mean the stock is going up. It means it's where all the action is happening. When a big stock like MTN dips, lots of people see it as a sale and jump in. Jargon buster, your quick cheat sheet. YTD year to date. This just means from January 1st until today. It's the total performance for this year so far. Market indices like GSE Composite. This is the market's scoreboard. You don't need to know the math, just know if it's green, up, or red, down. Bid and ask. Price. Imagine buying something at a market. The bid is the price buyers are shouting out. The ask is the price sellers are demanding. Volume traded. How many shares were bought and sold? High volume equals lots of interest. What this means for you, the vital facts. The overall trend is your friend. Don't panic over one slightly red day. The market is still up over 71% for the year. That's a powerful, long-term upward trend. Banks are hot right now. Stocks like Sogeg, GCB and Access are showing strong momentum. The financial sector is getting a lot of love from investors. MTN Ghana is a market heavyweight. Any news about it, like a rights issue, can move the entire market. It's always one to watch. Inflation is at 9.4%. If your money is in a savings account earning 5%, its purchasing power is actually shrinking. That's why people invest in stocks, to try and beat inflation and grow their wealth. This is not financial advice. I am just breaking down a public report to help you learn. Investing your money is risky and you can lose it. Always do your own research or talk to a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. And there you have it, the November 3rd market report decoded. The stock market doesn't have to be a scary, confusing place. It's just a marketplace, and now you understand the daily news. Is it the banking star Sogeg, the tech rocket Clyde, or are you watching the giant MTN for a potential opportunity? Let me know. Don't forget to like, follow, and share this with a friend who needs to start their investment journey. Let's grow together.